up? What's up? What's up? You already know this is Peach, and it was an emergency, baby, that I made this video. So I threw on my wig, baby, and combed it in my favorite dress. And let's just get into the content. I came to tell y'all that Clubhouse is now offering monetizations for creators. I am so excited because that means you get to run up a bag. Run up you a bag. People like, oh, is Clubhouse gonna be creating millionaires? I don't know, but I hope I get some of this Clubhouse dough. So let me get into it. I got 5 kids, and they keep trying to make a sit-down vlog with 5 kids. If not, don't judge me. I know some of you may be wondering, well, what is Clubhouse? You never heard of it. You don't know what it is. Clubhouse is an audio app where you communicate with other people through audio, no video, so you can look a hot mess. Y'all know I always look a hot mess, even on video, so I don't care. But you can look a hot mess and not worry about anybody seeing you. Look at Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my head. 'Cause I can't do this on my own. I'm letting go. 'Cause these kids is real deal standing at this door looking at me and Bama on the window like, gosh, go bother your daddy. What is wrong with kids? Why kids don't mess with their daddy? Riddle me this. Why kids don't mess with their daddy? Y'all see I'm trying to work. I done put on my little wig, child, to the best of my abilities. I'm coming out here to try to tell the people that they can make money on Clubhouse. And they playing on me. Everybody hating on me. Anyways, back to Clubhouse being monetized. They released monetization today, April 5th, 2021. And they didn't, oh, it's been a year, like an official year since Clubhouse been out now that I think about it. But they didn't give it to everybody yet. They're releasing it in waves. Honestly, they gave it to like the bigger creators who are actually on the app consistently. So for those of us who were on the app thriving in December and January, because that app was rocking in December and January, everybody was joining and it was rocking. We was making a lot of money, making a lot of connections. I met a couple millionaires, got me a couple millionaire clients and whatnot. Like, Clubhouse has been really, really good to me. However, they got real busy on there and a little bit messy on there, and a lot of people got all jacked up, informative video ever. Like, my brother calling me with good news. My kids keep coming to the door. It's just like, can I get a break? Can y'all leave me alone? Can you people go on? Yeah, all that jazz. But anyways, so a lot of us got off of Clubhouse. I know my creator friends that I have met on Clubhouse that I follow on Instagram, they have been focusing on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. They've been focusing on all other platforms that was already getting them the moolah. So we kind of missed out on this first wave, but we about to get it together, okay? We brainstorming right now some rooms that we finna do so we could be in this next wave of monetization. So they only gave it to certain creators right now. They said it was random, but honestly, it like everybody that got it had over 10K followers. And it was completely random because I've seen some people with 34K or 40K and they're not monetized yet. But this is just the beginning. They say this feature is going to eventually be available to everybody. Now, when it comes to getting paid, right now, anybody with a Clubhouse account can send money to some of their favorite creators on Clubhouse. I don't really like calling them creators because I guess they're creating a room, but whatever. But they can send money to their favorite creators on Clubhouse. And then I prefer to call them hosts, their favorite hosts. But how they get paid? They get paid through Stripe. So you connect your Stripe account to your Clubhouse account, and then people send you money, and you get 100. Oh, this what had me about to run. You get 100% of all of the money you collect. 100%. The person sending you money has to pay the fees. I'm gonna insert some little clips. Actually, I'll do one right here where I sent somebody $5. I sent this guy named Joseph on Clubhouse $5. Don't know him for a can of paint, but I was in the room and they were talking about monetization, and he was the only person. It was like 313 of us in there, and he was the only person who was eligible for monetization. And I said, what the heck? Let me see how this works. So I sent him $5, which was the minimum that you can send. It's $5. It does have a other button, so I don't know if you could send less than $5, but the minimum pop-up is $5. So I sent him $5. It charged me 46-cent fee through Stripe. So they charged me a 46-cent fee. I paid $5.46 directly to him, and he didn't say thank you or nothing. He was on stage and ain't say thank you or nothing. I felt a little salty about that, but I was like, he could have shouted me out or something. I think that's how I would utilize sending people money. I would send money to people in big rooms so they could shout me out. Kind of like super chats. When people send us super chats while we're live streaming on YouTube, we get all hyped and be like, oh, thank you for the super chat. You know, shout out to blah, blah, blah for the super chat. You got all extra hype. So for those of you who are monetized on Clubhouse or who will become monetized on Clubhouse, I would say definitely implement that in your business structure. Because if he would have thanked me, I probably would have sent him more money. It was 300 people in the room. You know, you could have got me little followers. You could have said, oh my God, goodness, I just want to take a moment to say thanks to Peach McIntyre. She sent me, they just say send money. They don't call it nothing. Clubhouse suggestion, call it something, you know. Call it a tip or something. It just say send money. Like YouTube, we got super chats. Facebook, we got stars. And Instagram, we got badges. So on different live streams, we get paid anyways. This isn't nothing new for those of y'all like, why are they doing this? It's nothing new. Each platform has some kind of business model like this, but normally they take a percent. Like on YouTube, when I get super chats, YouTube take 30% of all of my super chats. When it comes to my ad revenue, YouTube take 45% of all of the money I earn from ads. However, right now, because it's early in the game, on Clubhouse, you get 100% of the revenue earned. Meaning, first of all, ain't no processing fees because the people who send you the money pay them. Secondly, you ain't got to play Clubhouse. Nothing. Nada. This their way of thanking you until they get more people in the little program and see how it works. It's like, okay, thank you for being our test dummy. I wish I was a test dummy. Clubhouse. If you see this video, go ahead and activate monetization on my account because I'm a hard worker when the money involved, okay? Me and all my little Clubhouse friends on Instagram like, we bet and we going where the money reside, and that's Clubhouse. Where the money reside, and that's Clubhouse. Let's make a room on Clubhouse because the money reside on Clubhouse. We're going to Clubhouse. Yeah, that's how we feel right now. But I'm super excited. Even though I'm not officially a part of the monetization program, I always knew that platform was going to be monetized. Happy I bought me some stock in that bit. I always knew it was going to be monetized. I kept saying, I'm going to work really hard on this platform. I'm going to hit 10K before they make it public and they monetize everybody. It'll give me a leeway, but then I quit, okay? For those of y'all watching this video and you like, how come everybody keep passing me? Why can't I succeed? It's because you quit. Stop quitting. Stop quitting, then you'll win. Stop quitting, then you'll win. So that's the reason why I'm not mad. I'm not salty. It was people on Clubhouse. They was mad about it. They made little rooms like, oh, did Clubhouse monetize any black people? Yeah, they did. I've seen a lot of black creators get monetized on Clubhouse. Now it's like, is we gonna send them the money? They don't have it like super chats pop up. YouTube promotes super chats really good. They pop up like, send Peach a super chat to show that you support her channel or whatever. So I ain't really got a too much ask. Y'all don't like when I ask anyways. Y'all be like, she begging, you know. But on Clubhouse, I don't see that option. So you're gonna have to kind of self-promote. So another piece of advice to Clubhouse, make it where y'all pop up something to say send such and such a tip or whatever, a diamond, a something. Don't make it seem like just sending the money. Make it like an award, you know, like a super chat, you know. But anyways, I'm super excited about this. I hope this video is informative. I know it's all over the place. Let me just recap. Today is April 5th, 2021. Clubhouse, which has been around since April of 2020, has officially released monetization opportunities to creators. They did it in a wave to certain creators. Your girl ain't get monetized, but it's coming. I got a little faith. All you need is faith the size of a mustard seed. Y'all got faith. I'm gonna be next. Okay, and then how you get paid. You're getting paid through Stripe. You're gonna need a Stripe account. You're gonna need to connect your Stripe account to your Clubhouse account. When you do get paid, you do not have to give Clubhouse any of your money. It's all there. It's all yours. You keep 100% of the money. And when it comes to processing fees, the sender pays the processing fees, not you, boo. Also, I was gonna say, ooh, and just for y'all who don't know about Stripe, with Stripe you get paid every 2 business days. every 2 business days. So if you get money on a Monday, you have your money on Wednesday. For those of you who don't know nothing about Stripe. And you can have it a personal Stripe account or a business Stripe account. Remember, you're going to be having to pay money on this because Stripe send out 1099s, boo. Don't be thinking you finna just hit you a lick and run off on the government. Uncle Sam gonna want their money, okay? Right now, only a certain amount of creators got it, but everybody has the ability to send money. So if you are one of those lucky individuals who already have monetization on your Clubhouse account, I would say, girl, if you don't get to making rooms, I'm so mad at myself, y'all. I was one of the first creators on Clubhouse with a YouTube room, and then they started copying me, and it got real competitive. I was able to speak to Nick Nemeth on Clubhouse, okay? Maze Lee on Clubhouse. I spoke to Kyle and Jade from TikTok. They got millions of followers. I spoke to, who else did I speak to? Maze Lee got 1.9 million at the time. He might got more than that now. 1.9 million YouTube subscribers. Nick Nemeth currently at over 700,000 YouTube subscribers. And because I was one of those first YouTube Clubhouse rooms, everybody used to stop by my room first, and I would like pop their Clubhouse Sherry, pop that Clubhouse Sherry, pop that, yeah, all that stuff. But then I quit. That's why I ain't winning, because I stay quitting. But anyways, I hope y'all all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, I know it was all over the place. My kids was doing the most and whatnot. But if you like this video, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the IKEY, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the IKEY, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like. Let's go. Follow. Like. Hit her like. Hit her like you like. For your girl go. Slide with a like. Rock with a like. To the left, to the right. Go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. I like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like. For your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right. Go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right. Go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.